everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's Blakenolani. Today what we're going to be doing is the Brazilian butt lift challenge by Get Fit by Ivana. And I'm super excited to do this workout and give you guys a review on how this workout is. So it's supposed to give results in just 1 week. This workout is supposed to give you that bubble butt. No equipment is necessary for this workout and it can be done at home. This workout is only 10 minutes long and it's 300 reps total of the same exact workout move done over and over again. So you can either follow along with Ivana and I working on this bubble butt, or you can just simply watch me struggle as I try to get this bubble butt. I am going to be giving my thoughts and reviews of this workout at the end of this video, so stay tuned. We're back, guys. That was such an amazing workout. First of all, I am sweating. 10 minutes, you guys, and I feel like I had a full workout. So it does burn, oh my goodness. So if you are trying to grow your glutes and your butt like really fast, I guarantee you that this workout will get it done. I literally just finished and I already feel like results happening, I promise. So I had to go at my own pace during this workout. Ivana just goes through the workout. I feel like also because like she's used to doing these workouts. If you're not used to doing these workouts, don't try to keep up. Just try to go at your own pace. As long as you have control over the movements and you get them done, you'll be just fine. Also, what helps during this workout is to focus on isolating your glutes. So if you don't worry about any other part of your body or try to only focus on lifting from your glutes, putting your glutes in control over these movements, this will definitely help build your glutes faster. During the workout, she gives a break. Definitely a good time to go ahead and drink some water. That helped me recover a little bit faster. And her recovery poses, as far as sitting on your knees, that helped me out a lot. It helped release that burn that I felt during the workout. Overall, it is an excellent workout to do. 10 minutes at home. It's really quick, really easy. You can do this workout while you're like watching TV or something like that. I am also going to be doing a full week of this workout. So my next video is going to show my results from this workout. So we will see if I have any gains in my glutes, and we'll see if we have any growth and results. She does a really great job with this video. I can tell you that this will probably be one of my go-to workout videos for my glutes if I just want to do something really quick and easy at home. Let me know if you guys do this video as well, and was it easy or was it hard for you guys to do? I really enjoyed my workout. I hope you guys enjoyed it too. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and I'll catch you all in my next video. Take care.